Yeah, man. At Westway Towing. Them fuckers stole my truck again. You got it right. Yes, I did got it. Catch a guy, tried to steal my truck. Pay him $200. And yes, when I parked to do something, taking out stuff from my truck to go home, come back, take out stuff, they towed my truck. And now it's gonna cost me $500. You probably can't see it, but my truck is over that side. See that Covenant truck up the top? Right there. I'm at Westway Towing. And now I spent $700 on fuckery. I'm sorry for cursing, but this is what happened to me. You know, I spent so much money, man, and you probably asking $700. Damn, dog. Yeah. You all know how you're pissed off. Everybody calm down, you know, and shit happens. And I'm here just going through it, man. You know, and I'm here going through it, man. So, you know, I'm here going through it right now, man. The shit that I'm going through, it's not even funny. I was thinking these motherfuckers. See, where's we doing? This is exactly where I'm at, man. Yeah, man, this shit's crazy, man. Just less than 24 hours, man. It's this is the problem I go through. The idea legs over there. So yeah, ever since I'm trying to get rid of this Covenant truck, it just pay problems be happening, just happening. And this the shit I can't take. You know, the fucking shit. For real. And, you know, I tell you, if you have a tractor or anything, there's stuff you can put on your vehicles to not get towed. I'm gonna let y'all know about that too. Because this is some crazy stuff, man. Just a few hours, man. Took it off, went back, came back. I was like, God damn, how fast y'all move at? But this is part of life, huh? So now I gotta get to Orlando and shit. See? That's way towing. Where's way towing? Man, I swear, man. You all know I was going through my mind, man. Frustration. Feel pissed off. Yeah. Just crazy, man. They have no idea how angry I am right now. I need someone to just get me the fuck out of here before I start going crazy. This shit, man. The person was supposed to ride with me to Orlando because to come back down, you know, it's a little problems I needed their help. So now I don't have that. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. You know. So that's another big issue. Yeah. You know. So that's the problem. The big problem. Who do I talk to get my truck out of here? Because right now, it's not going to be good for anybody right now, man. Keep on having me waiting. Yeah, I need to get my truck out right now. Because y'all people right now is, you know what I'm talking about. These people right now is crazy. They just, I think they put something on it. Because I don't understand. 2 times? And listen, it wasn't even 24 hours yet. 2 times. I need to pick up the white truck, beautiful truck out here. Covenant transport truck. Okay. I need it right now. I really have a patience level. I don't want to lose my mind right now. But yeah, like I said, guys, it's crazy. Less than it. You know. It's crazy, dog. It's crazy. You know. You may ask me. I think there's somebody one of Westway up drivers. That's what someone need to do. You wait. That's what someone need to do out here. I think I'm playing. There's some crazy shit.
No. Yeah. Do I get commission or no? Oh yeah.
No, I'm the driver. And y'all told my truck in less than a couple hours, which is crazy because I was doing stuff. And that's crazy. It's 2 times y'all tried to do it yesterday to me. I'm like, I had to pay the driver, the guy to unopen my truck, and then it's just like somebody put a tracking device on that truck because I don't understand that. That's crazy.
Where were you parked? You understand that we don't just go around towing vehicles, so wherever you were parked, they call.
And the person of the property, I know that's the script. Listen, I don't want to get into it because I don't know. I know people are spiteful out here. I know people can probably see a truck and say that whatsoever. I know that, but it was crazy. I spent a lot of money and I'm coming right back to spend a lot of money. You think this is fun?
Was it at Walmart?
No. What do you mean the first time?
No, where your vehicle was towed from.
No, right? But no, it wasn't first. It wasn't told. I caught the guy because.
I'm talking about today.
He did it yesterday, man. I just need to get out of here right now, because if not, man, I will regret what I might do right now. Cause I'm not in a good state of mind, man. Trust me. I'm holding it in, guys. I'm holding it in. It's not fun, man. It's not fun. Trust me. It's not fun, man. Trust me. Whew. You know, less than fucking 24 hours, man. I'm gonna tell y'all, man, if y'all see them Westways, man, y'all know. Crazy, dog. Real crazy. They do some shit.
What kind of vehicle was it?
It's a white Freightliner right there. Cascadia Evolution. Cascadia Evolution 2015. It's right there. I'm looking at the truck right now. Bro. These people need to hurry up, bro. Okay? They're gonna about to piss me off so crazy. Man, it's now 12. It's now 12. It's now 12. That's the time on my clock right now, man. This is shit I'm going through. Them motherfuckers moving too slow. That's going to get me going, man. That's the shit.
What view was it?
It's a blood clot, man. I come to farm, man. That's what I'm talking about. What's clot in there, man? Yo, Brethren, don't come in from my face right now, bro. But yeah, that's the problem. That's the problem, dog. I'm gonna have to put it out there, dog, for real. I'm gonna have to put it out there.